What if I told you that your sugar cravings are the biggest thing that could be holding you back from reaching your weight loss results? And you continuously get stuck on this endless cycle of starting a meal plan, doing really well, and then falling off because of bad habits that you don't know how to break, and then you're left feeling guilty. If this situation sounds familiar to you, then I have a step-by-step guide to help reverse your bad habits and get rid of your sugar cravings for good. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, the first thing that we want to do is to set clear boundaries and stop buying sugar at the store every chance that we get. I'm sure we've all been there, walking into a store, ready to buy some healthy groceries for our meal plan, and then we are tempted by the small stand of desserts that are 50% off from our bakery. Without hesitation, we immediately put this treat in our cart without understanding how this choice can affect us later. If this situation has happened to you, please don't be hard on yourself and understand as long as you learn from the situation, that is what counts. However, the better option would be to simply walk away from this and resist the temptation to put these things in your cart so that you don't buy something that doesn't align with your meal plan. And actually, I find that shopping on the perimeter of the store is going to be a lot more effective when we're trying to buy fresh, healthy food instead of shopping within the interior. This is where most ultra-processed food is placed, so shopping on the perimeter of the store is going to help you stay consistent and help you to build a healthy meal plan. Our second way to master our sugar cravings is to not keep sugar in our house. When we keep sugar in our environment, it becomes really hard for us to stay on track because we are inviting that temptation to indulge in that treat that we had bought from the store. When you keep sugar in your environment, it increases the likelihood that you're going to fall off track because you're going to be more likely to overindulge. So by removing these foods out of our house, we're now able to replace them with healthier options. And this connects back to what I was saying before when I was talking about buying healthier foods at the grocery store and then bringing them home so that you have more options and abundance in your meal plan. Our third final way to beat our sugar cravings is to stop eating out so much. We finally have structure where we walk into a grocery store and what to buy, and we're able to not have sugar in our house. The last thing is to avoid temptation by driving in through drive-thrus. When we are on the road, there is constant temptation for restaurants to tell us that we need to buy their food. But as people that are looking to change our diet, we need to drive past these restaurants and signs that are trying to tempt us and stick with our meal plan and stick with our diet so that we do not fall off track.